Hey everybody, welcome to Big Daddy Brian Thrifts. Today we are doing a repair video. I have got a HDMI VCR DVD combo. If you look back in my older videos, you can see where I picked it up for like 12 bucks. Today we're going to fix it. It's got some problems, so stick tuned. Hope you like what you're watching. Hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. And stay tuned because we're going to fix some stuff today. So this is the DVD player I bought for $12.99. Well, 12 bucks. It's got some problems. This won't shut. We're going to take this apart and see what we can do with it. So since we're having troubles with the VCR side, we're going to see what the problem is on the inside. Do not plug this in while you're working on it with the cover off. Okay? You don't want it to short circuit or something bad to happen to you. So I already see the problem. I'm going to try to show you guys what's going on in here. There is a CD right there. It's not in the tray somehow. It is over there and there. So what I'm going to have to do is get that CD out to make this work. That's what's catching it right there, see? I don't know how that happened, but we're gonna try to fix that. So I've straightened out this coat hanger and I can barely see it in there now. So I brought it up just a little bit. I'm gonna try to wrap it out, wrap into it and pull that out, that DVD that's stuck in there. That should have been in here. I don't know how it got back here, but we're gonna find out what the heck is going on with this thing. So now I got the DVD right there. I'm gonna try to work it out with my fingers. So, uh-oh. And we got it out. So you put it back together. Now, the reason this thing is worth so much is because it's got an HDMI port on this. It's a DVD recorder VCR. It looks for about $2.75 working. I paid $11.99. Might as well just call it 12. But the main reason I did all this work is because of this little HDMI port. So if all goes to well here in just a minute, we're gonna have a good cash payout of this thing once I get it sold. So now we're in the test room. We're gonna see if we can get this thing going. Movie of choice, Mel Gibson's Apocalypto. It's about a $20 DVD, by the way, if you ever see it out in the wild. Here's what the case looks like. It looks like it's loading. That's good. Let's see what happens with it. I didn't clean this up, by the way, yet, because, you know, we'll make sure everything works first before we do all that time in it. Loading, loading, loading. Oh, it's doing something. DVD screen, what's going on here? You gonna play or you ain't? There's some lag, and it was working. We were very successful at that. That is good. Let's see. This comes out. That's what we wanted. Turn this bad boy off. Oh, the VHS part works, so ain't no reason to do that. Well, I hope you liked and learned something about fixing DVD players a little bit. If you liked what you watched, hit that like button. And if you ain't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm going to have all kinds of new videos coming out soon. Trying to put out 2 a week now, so keep on watching Big Daddy Brian Thrifts. And you never know what I'll be doing, but it's going to deal with thrifting. It could be fixing something to make you money. Holler at me later. See y'all.